Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the transfer failure step by step. Check your internet speed and stability before starting the transfer again. Make sure your connection stays above 5 Mbps during the whole transfer attempt. Confirm your Konami ID is linked and matches the same email on both devices. Verify the Konami servers are not under maintenance before retrying. Check the receiving device has at least 5 GB free storage available for the game data. Clear the game cache on both devices before attempting any further transfers. The only reliable method uses the Konami ID cloud save system. First, sign into your Konami ID on the old device and open Efootball. In the game settings, choose Cloud Save Upload and start a manual upload to the Konami cloud. Wait until the upload shows 100% completion before closing the app. On the new device, sign into the same Konami ID and navigate to Cloud Save Download. Start the manual download and wait until the transfer confirms success inside the game. If the cloud upload or download still fails, follow these recovery steps. Reboot both devices and reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi network before retrying the upload. If the upload repeatedly fails, export a local backup copy to external storage if the platform allows this. Keep that backup copy as a safety measure for manual restore attempts later. If you cannot resolve the issue, contact Konami support and provide your Konami ID, device model, and the transfer timestamp for investigation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.